What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little more cosmetics to my car. Pretty easy mod. I'm just going to change out the my mirrors here, my mirror covers. No, I don't think mirror covers, mirror caps, all the same thing. I'm going to change them out with the M3 style carbon fiber mirror caps from Marshimaro. I'm going to leave his link for these down below, but Marshimaro has a ton of other stuff on his thing for interior, exterior, everything BMW you want. Mostly like E90, but I got just the mirror covers, carbon fiber for now. I'm going to put them on in this video. It's pretty straightforward, it's easy, but I'll take you guys along the way. First thing you guys want to do is just literally just pry this off. You're supposed to use a proper prying tool, but I got a screwdriver and a microfiber, so I don't scratch anything. So just get it in there, just get started on it. Just like that, that's off. I'm gonna go into my trunk real quick into the box, and I'm gonna grab the carbon fiber one. Alright, so here I have the carbon fiber one. Same like the stock one, it has the clips here to really push on, and it has the little extension off the top to kind of resemble an M3. So pretty much gonna go right on. I just have to mess with it a little bit to get it on. And don't roast me, these need to be fixed, either spray painted or cleaned. They look disgusting all faded out. Just like that, it's on. And it's pretty easy. And just as a heads up, you're gonna have like an 1/8 of an inch gap. That's the same amount of gap that came stock with it. That's just, don't be scared by that. It's on all the way, pull it, play with it. It's on to go. I think it looks pretty nice. I did this one on camera, and then I did the driver's side off camera. They both came out great. That was a really fast video, but hey, I got one finally. Anyways guys, once again, this is the Marshimaro M3 style carbon fiber mirror cap. If you like this video, you're going to do it yourself, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this or anything else about the car, leave them down in the comments below. And also, if you haven't dropped a sub, please do that too. But besides that guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.